Before we start today's video, I have an interesting question for you. Did you know, electric cars don't have an engine? If you know why electric cars don't have an engine, let me know in the comment section. Let's jump back to today's video. In this video, I'm bringing you the Tesla Model X. To be exact, this is the Tesla Model X, P100D trim level. Let me tell you a bit about Tesla Model X trim levels history. From 2016 to 2020 there were 5 trim levels of the Tesla Model X. Namely, 60D, 75D, 90D, P90D and P100D. P stands for performance. D stands for dual motor drive. Numbers 60, 75, 90 and 100 stands for battery capacity. 60D got 60 kWh battery. 90D got 90 kWh battery likewise. After 2020, Tesla Model X trim levels changed. We can see only 2 trim levels after 2020. They are performance and long range. Then again after 2022, Tesla changed their Model X trim levels. After 2022, there are 2 trim levels. They are Tesla Model X and Tesla Model X Plaid. On top of these 2 trim levels, you can add packages like enhanced autopilot, charging ports etc. You can see more details from the Tesla official site. Link in the description. That is the story about the trim levels. Let's deep dive into the Tesla Model X P100D. P100D model takes around 3.5 seconds to reach from 0 to 100 km per hour. And it can reach a top speed of 250 km per hour. This car can generate 605 horsepower and 985 Nm torque. Tesla Model X P100D can drive 465 km after a full charge. It takes around 9 hours and 30 minutes to charge, and if you plug it to a supercharger, it takes only about 30 minutes to get charged. Super fast, isn't it? Just like we saw in the hybrid cars, there is a regenerative braking system. Quick reminder. If you want to know whether it's worth buying a Prius hybrid car in 2023, check out our video on Toyota Prius from the cards on top right corner. Link in the description as well. Alright, back to Tesla Model X P100D. When it comes to efficiency, it takes about 18 kWh of energy to drive 100 km. Pretty economical. There is something very interesting about these electric vehicles compared to petrol and diesel-powered vehicles. If you want to know what that is, stay with us till the end. Let me give you a hint. It's about the gears. Let's check out the dimensions next. Length: 5.036 meters. Width: 2 meters. Height: 1.684 meters. Kerb weight: 2,447 kilograms. Wheelbase: 2.965 meters. Turning radius: 11 meters. Front track width: 1.711 meters. Rear track width: 1.723 meters. Ground clearance maximum 20.6 centimeters. Minimum 14.6 centimeters. Storage space 2,600 liters. Let's go check out the exterior. Tesla has been able to give all their cars an alien look. To make it seem like these are not from Earth. However, they have succeeded at that. But personally, I don't like the looks of it. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section. When compared to the Tesla Model S, this Tesla Model X looks the same. Front lights look the same as Tesla Model S but a little bit larger. There is the Tesla logo in the middle of the front with chrome parts. There is a storage area in the front of the car. You have to press T in the car key to open it. A radar system has been used in place of cameras. That is something new and interesting. At the bottom there are fog lights. Those look nice. When we look at the windshield, we can see something strange. Windshield goes back all the way to the middle of the car. There is no sunroof as a result of that. Instead of door handles there are buttons to open the door. Doors are fully electrical and frameless. Second-row doors are falcon wing doors. Unlike the famous butterfly doors, these doors can detect obstacles in the path and adjust accordingly. This is such a cool feature. When it comes to the vehicle body type, we can categorize this as a crossover SUV. We can adjust the ground clearance of this model. Maximum ground clearance is about 20.6 cm and the minimum ground clearance is 14.6 cm. Aerodynamic design of this Tesla Model X is second to none SUVs out there. This comes equipped with 20-inch turbine wheels. Let's quickly check out the rearview. Tesla has perfected the rearview, where most other car companies fail. Tail lamps are LED. In the middle runs a nickel plate printed Tesla from one tail light to the other. Model X is printed at the left bottom corner. Spoiler is retractable and can be adjusted. Spoilers improve aerodynamics and apply downward force to help the vehicle stability at higher speeds. When we open the boot, spoiler disappears into the body. To open the boot, you need to push the back of the car key twice. Model X comes with 5-seater, 6-seater and 7-seater configurations. Last row is foldable to increase the boot space. There is about 2,600 liters massive space combined, front storage area and boot. There is another storage compartment under the boot. Driver seat door opens as soon as you push the unlock button. There is no need to open the door yourself. To close the door, you just have to hit brakes and the door closes automatically and the car starts itself. Interior build quality is excellent and it instantly gives you that expensive look and feel. We can see carbon fiber, leather, and velvet finishings everywhere in the first row. Let me tell you another interesting fact. Tesla got rid of the leather around 2017. You cannot see real leather products inside any Tesla models today. Fully digital dashboard enables you to see all the needed info as in a standard vehicle today. You get one more cool feature. Remember we told there is no 360 cameras but a radar system. Visuals generated from that radar system shows objects nearby real-time. This feature is unique to Tesla vehicles. However, we do have the rear camera. As soon as you sit on the driving seat, you get to see a significant difference. That is the windshield. Since you have a massive windshield up until the middle of the car, this experience is totally different. You won't get any other vehicle with a windscreen like this. You can hardly miss the massive infotainment system in the middle. From closing the doors to autonomous navigation, you can control almost anything from this center-placed infotainment system, including seat adjustments, suspension, door controls, driving modes, acceleration, steering modes, regenerative brake modes, summon options, autopilot settings, climate controls, reverse camera, web browsing, app downloading including YouTube, Netflix and much more. One important note about the settings. If you see settings or options marked as beta, that means those are still at a testing phase. Let's come back to the interior from the infotainment system. There is good legroom and amazing headroom with a full outside view. Front row got several door bins, compartment areas, cup holders, wireless charging. Let's see the second row. To open the doors to the second row, you have to push the button on the second row door. To close the door once you are in, there is a button on the edge of the pillar next to you. There are individual buttons to adjust the second row seats. There is enough legroom and headroom in the second row. The back of the first row seats are done with a solid black gloss finish. No armrest for the second row passengers. If you have a third row, you can access it by moving the second row seats to the front. Third row seats are foldable. Surprisingly, third row seats also come with good legroom and headroom. Now, before I go, let me tell you the interesting thing I promised to tell before the end of the video. It's about the gears. Tesla has no such thing called shifting gears. There are drive and reverse options only. No shifting up and down gears. That's all for today. Let's meet with another great video like this. If you like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, smash the like button and drop your comments in the comment section. Check out our other videos on our channel.